Hey, this is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics behind the camera. This is James, and he's got it from here.
Hi, I'm Jim Pursuto, and I'm here at Rvdiagnostics with Jeff. We pretty much went over my whole unit, found some issues, repaired them. I really appreciated the help and the knowledge that he bestowed upon me. I can save myself some money now doing my own repairs.
What year is this one?
This is a 2013 Thor Daybreaker.
Yeah, full body paint.
Full body
nice.
paint, 800 watt solar.
Yeah, you got 200-watt panels up there.
It's a good boondocker, believe it or not. It's big, but it can handle it.
And you got the extra large water tank. You got a 100-gallon,
yeah,
right?
100-gallon water tank, so it's amazing.
Yeah, this is a beautiful rig.
Anywhere I can squeeze in, I can stay for a while.
Yeah, the F53 chassis. Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Otherwise, I'm heading home soon. Back to New Jersey.
Yep, he's New Jersey. We're Delaware. There you go. And I think his cousin or sister-in-law.
My sister-in-law just moved into this area, and that's how I found out about him.
It's a win-win situation.
Yeah.
All right, well, good. Glad you joined.
Thank you much.
Yep. Thank you for coming to the garage and the school. Y'all take care. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. I'm out of here behind the camera.